Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the Gozney Roccbox, a portable pizza oven that promises to deliver delicious pizzas at an impressive 500 degrees. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. The Gozney Roccbox comes in a large box, well packed and secured with polystyrene. Inside, you'll find the pizza peel, a bottle opener, and some manuals. Setting it up is relatively straightforward, but it requires aligning and connecting the gas burner, which can be a bit finicky. The design of the Roccbox is outstanding, with clever touches like a silicone-covered exterior for safety and sturdy folding legs. The stone base acts as an excellent insulator, allowing you to place it on various surfaces without transferring much heat. Gozney offers various accessories for the Roccbox, including the Roccbox mantle, turning peel, pizza rocker, pizza server, and the wood burner 2.0 for different cooking options. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the pizza making process. The Roccbox reaches a scorching 500 degrees, allowing you to cook a pizza in just a couple of minutes. The recommended dough recipe provided by Gozney results in a chewy, airy, and delicious dough that elevates your pizza game. During the cooking process, using flour on the pizza peel is essential to prevent sticking. Cleanup is relatively simple, but the Roccbox takes time to cool down completely. The price of the Roccbox might seem high at £399, but the quality and convenience it offers are well worth it. The Roccbox is built to last and delivers amazing home-cooked pizzas. Overall, the Gozney Roccbox is a brilliant pack-away pizza oven that doesn't disappoint. It's well built, stylish, and delivers delicious results. If you're a pizza lover looking to elevate your home cooking game, the Gozney Roccbox is a fantastic investment. That's it for our review of the Gozney Roccbox. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on tech and other products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.